Hi, hello my loving people. Welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం. Today I am going to prepare one of the famous tea, ginger tea. Come on, let's start the process. The required ingredients are ginger, milk, tea powder, sugar, cardamom. Take ginger and make a smooth paste. Add cardamom, take a steel vessel and add 1.5 cup of water. Tip 1. For getting more ginger flavor to the ginger tea, add ginger paste initially. Tip number 2. If we add cardamom to the ginger tea, it enhances the flavors of the ginger tea. Now add ginger cardamom paste to the water. Now boil it for 5 minutes. Once water gets boiled, add tea powder, add sugar, boil it for 2 minutes in low flame. Once tea decoction is ready, now add 1.5 cup of milk. When bubbles starts to raise, we see the change in color of the tea from milk shade to brown shade. Now we can serve this tea in a teacups, and you can enjoy this tea with a biscuits.